The Earth truly needs our help. With natural disasters happening more frequently, I believe that the environment is sending us a message.
How do you think, how is your idea important to all of us? Does it have any impact to all of us, basically?
Yeah, because environmental issues affect everyone. And if we don't take care of the environment, what will happen to us?
Good question. What will really happen to us, right? If we encounter more flooding, if we encounter more heating of the environment, it's a good thing that the weather is okay, but not all the time. Sometimes it's very, very hot, and sometimes there's flooding everywhere. Now, Sarina, if attendees could be able to take one single actionable step that they can take home and do after watching you on the TEDx, what do you think will it be?
Reduce your plastic. Just a little less plastic each day can make a huge difference.
Please listen to her. What excites you the most in presenting this idea live in the TEDx?
So I'm excited because I can tell everyone in the community that they can protect the environment by just using some simple key points.
So one last question for you. Why should the people out there buy tickets and watch you live at the TEDx event?
Because attending by person lets you experience the energy, atmosphere, and inspiration of a world-class event.
So don't forget, watch the TEDx this coming December, and hopefully we will see you all there. Buy your tickets now.